What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be installing the H-pipe on my 2019 Mustang GT, and I'm actually out in Moore, Oklahoma. We're at Peace Performance in Moore, Oklahoma, and my boy Ben is behind me somewhere. Ben, come say hi. I got you on the wide angle. Come say hi. We're in his shop. He does performance stuff here, and so we're gonna give him a shot today. We're gonna go do this whole thing. We're gonna film some pretty nice B-roll for you guys to check out his craftsmanship, his workmanship, and whatnot. But it should be a pretty fun install, and I cannot wait to hear how this sounds.
Let the sun go down.
Whoa, 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 whoa. What are you doing? Bro, where are you going? No! So for those of you who've been wondering how I've been enjoying the low life, look at little scrapey scrapes. I'm having to do a better job, but yeah, we're gonna need to get a guard. Look at that. Would you just look at it? Dang. Dudes and dudettes, we are done. Peace Performance has completed its Resonator delete / H-pipe install. That looks good, guys. Boom. Here's the master, Ben.
Yes, sir.
So what do we do? What do we do? Walk us through the...
We basically take the factory resonator,
Right.
And so these are just stock clamps, and so we actually undo these, slide them off, and then it allows the entire back of the exhaust to be slid off.
Right.
Once we did that, we actually came in here, we measured, and then we cut accordingly for the new pipe on the pre-existing exhaust. Mocked everything up, slid the new clamps on, snug down, and then we made sure that we plugged in our active valves. And it was just a matter of bolting and tightening everything back up, so now it's sturdy and
I like how the Steeda little artwork here.
nice little Steeda, and they got nice little TIG welding down the side.
So
Looks good.
where does the flux capacitor go?
Well, I can't really show people that. That's kind of
Is that like a secret trade stuff?
That's like the secret trade stuff. So
Come on, Marty. All right, sweet, man. So this looks really good. I'm really pumped. And
should gain like 15-20 horsepower, you know? It's just like bolt-on mods.
Oh yeah, for sure. So hey, what other kind of stuff do you guys do here?
So really we do anything from exhaust work, heads, cam, porting, tuning, motorcycles. We kind of do just about anything that you need. So we do a lot of header installs, a lot of exhaust installs. A lot of my LS guys and LT guys, they do a lot of cam installs. Mustang guys do a lot of manifold swaps, 85, stuff like that.
So you do you said you do like headers, right? Mm-hmm. And so you pull out the engine because you got the lift, right? Do you lift the engine and do all that good stuff, or
so
how do you do it?
I have to take out both motor mounts, then the actual cups in here have to come out, the starter has to come out. So you have to take out quite a bit of stuff, and right now you can only see like one header bolt way up in here.
Yeah.
So it is a very, very strenuous like process.
So you do it all, man.
Yep.
That's legit, dude. I think old Logan here's found a home to get stuff done. So I recommend this, guys. Let's go ahead and put this baby down, turn her on, give it some revs, and just hear how mean it sounds. H-pipe, y'all. Look at that. Guys, I'm so glad I got this carbon fiber spoiler, man. It just looks so cool. And we're waiting to put this deck lid piece on. It'll be solid carbon fiber. We're gonna get rid of this GT badge. And then we gotta find the rear valance, however you say it. And then this will be a solid carbon fiber booty in the back. We gotta get rid of the blank. and turn it into carbon fiber. Oh man. Oh man. She's on the ground. Do it, dude. Do it. Hey, so when you turn on the car, make sure to flick it into track mode. So you'll have to turn it on and then the switch all the way at the right by the shifter, all the way on the right.
So all the way right
You have to flick it up twice so that it gets into the pony mode, and then you do that. So let's do it. This is the no cuts, no edits. This is all live. Let's do it. Oh, that's deeper for sure. All right, let's hear it. Oh, nice. Nice. I dig it, man. All right, guys, so that is all she wrote. I am so freaking excited. That is considerably louder. So look forward to the next video that I'm coming out. I actually did a comparison of the exhaust before and after, and so we still got to go shoot that after this, but I am so freaking pumped. That is a freaking boatload louder. The tone's a lot deeper too. I'm really pumped about it, but guys, give Peace Performance out a try. If you're in Oklahoma, you guys got to come here and get this stuff done. I'll have a link in the description below to their Instagram and to their Facebook. But guys, I am so happy with the work. This is freaking awesome, and you know, he gives great deals. Look at the hookup just mentioned, BLP3 Motors, and he will give you the hookup. Right, Ben?
right on.
Yeah. All right. See you guys.